The adventure begins. Join the ride. Explore the depths. Embrace the wild. This is just the beginning. Join the journey. This is Trails and Tides. The journey does not end here. There is always another trail to ride, another tide to chase. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the journey. This is Trails and Tides.